The coolest part about Crossroads is we're a great spot for a new start. So again, if someone's battling something, whether it be strange relationships that contributed to their SUD, to behavioral health diagnoses, it is a new blossoming beginning for so many people, and it's only the start. So a lot of the patients that come in here, they either don't have a driver's license or they don't have basic identification, birth certificates, things that they need to be able to either find employment or get, reasonable transportation, to get parental rights to their children, things of that nature. And we're able to help with not only their addictions, but getting them the basic life necessities, whether that be housing or a driver's license, that get their foot through the door of a life for success.